Well, you might not think it, but having a coffee shop and running a roastery, I use engineering every single day. I'm Neil Glover, and I'm the owner and coffee roaster at Figment Coffee. I had my own business in the oil and gas sector. Instead of having an office, I would work out of coffee shops. And I went to this one coffee shop in Houston, and I had this drink that tasted like no other coffee I'd ever tasted. I said it's a latte that changed my life. And I just started to fall in love with the specialty coffee industry. As a child, I would always play with Lego, built tree houses. I was a huge fan of American comic books, and the part I loved the most was their gadgets. And I used to design my own suits and trying to come up with my own gadgets. I didn't know that was engineering at the time. That was just cool stuff that I liked. And then as I had to sort of go work through school and choose a career, I started to realize that those things were all tied in. I was training for 6 or 7 years as a coffee roaster, and I was visiting coffee shops all over the world. I was starting to learn what I loved about them, what I didn't like about them, and this space is like my ultimate coffee shop. It's like when I was designing those suits of Iron Man armor as a kid. I took all the best bits and put them into one sort of design, and that's really what I've tried to do here. Every coffee is different, so we have to spend a lot of time trying to dial in the roast profile. I love that part of it. So we are here in the Figment Coffee roastery. These are the green beans that we bring in from all over the world. And this is the starting point for our roasted coffee. What you might not know is that these are actually the seeds of a cherry. And it's really important to us then to roast it in a way that we bring out those fruit flavors in the coffees. This is our coffee roaster. As you can see, a beautiful piece of mechanical engineering. We take the green coffee, we put it in here, it drops into here through this lever, into this barrel, and then it slowly roasts there, controlled by the laptop that we've got connected up to it, which is connected into temperature probes. And then at the end of that profile, we drop it out into this cooling bin, and then we turn a fan on that instantly cools it so that it stops cooking. And that turns it from the green coffee to the roasted coffee over a period of about 30 minutes. The thing that surprised me most about a career in engineering is just the sheer variety of things that I've been exposed to. I hope that I'm an example of where engineering can lead, that it just provides a great background for many, many different careers. Engineering is in everything we do. From the design of clothes, to the creation of coffee, to building bridges and buildings. And it's the fundamentals of our society, and I would definitely encourage kids to go into it as a career.